In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix disapproved products in Google Merchant Center. In order to do that, head over to your business option right here and you can find the Your Products option. From in there, you can see all your products and you can just differentiate them by going to the products that need attention. So when you go to there, you can see all the products that needs to be fixed. You can see right here that this one is actually have some issues with mismatched domains, missing shipping, unsupported image types, and the likes. So in here, as you can see, they are not approved. So what we can do is we can click on this fix option. And from in there, you can just edit the particular attentions that it needs. And then from in there, once you have done that, you can actually submit it all together in order to get a reviewer of this again and in order to see if it will be approved this time. So that's how you fix disapproved products in Google Merchant Center. Hope we helped.